Hey, hello guys, welcome back another video. Today in this video we are going to review Revair Air Hair Dryer, and you should purchase this product or not. It's a legit product or it's a scammy product, and you should go with this product or not. And first of all, we are going to talk about it's a legit product or it's a scammy product. As you can see, the cost of the product is $339, and on bestbuy.com the cost of the product is $359. That indicates it's a legit product. And as you can see over here, the rating of the product is on bestbuy.com is too good, and approx 94% rated, 4.9 rating, and all the ratings are too good, and the quality of the product is also too good, and all indicate it's a legit product. You can go with this product without any doubt. So now come to the next point. It's a legit website or it's a scammy website? Revair.com. My dear friends, it's a legit website. You can go with this website, but our recommendation is, if you really want to try this product, and you can buy the product on bestbuy.com, because on bestbuy.com you can easily return your product, you can easily get your product without any doubt. So our recommendation is you should not go with this website, and you should not purchase this product on this website, because as you know, the trusted website are very good websites, and over trusted websites you can't face lots of problems while returning your product. So our recommendation is you should go with bestbuy.com, not with this website. And if we talk about the quality of the product and the review of the product, the quality of the product is really too good. You can go with this product without any doubt. Okay friends, now hope you understand my all the points. If yes, please hit a like button and don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. But the main point of the product is the cost of the product, and the cost of the product is really too high. If you have lots of money, then you can go with this product, and if you have not too much money, then you can avoid this product. You can go with another product on amazon.com. There you can see lots of product available as hair dryer, and you can go with low budget products. Okay, the cost of the product is really too high, so our recommendation is you should go with the low budget products, and after using you can go with higher products. Okay, bye bye, thank you.